वर्कर्स डे म्हणून. But now this time we are having May Day in Ponda city, which will start at morning 10 o'clock. All the workers who are affiliated to AITUC and other friendly organizations, they will assemble at Ponda bus stand, and then from there we will have a rally in Ponda city, and it will culminate into a public meeting in front of the Kranti Maidan in Ponda. While celebrating the International Workers' Day, May Day, workers are very unhappy all over the country. कामगार जे आसा ते सेलिब्रेशनाच्या मुडांत ना. Indirectly this May Day which we are holding on 1st May Sunday, it is not only a day of celebration, but we are also going to have launch our further struggle program even in the state of Goa. गोंयांत खुबशे प्रॉब्लेम आहात कामगाराचे, आनी त्या प्रॉब्लेमाचेर म्हजो कलीग नियाळ करतलोच. पूण ऑल इंडिया लेवलाचेर सुद्दां जे कामगारांचे कायदे येतात, जे डिस्प्यूट आसात, जो कामगार कायदो बदलपाचो प्रयत्न केंद्र सरकार करता, तेजे विरुद्धी सगळीं ऑर्गनायजेशन झगडटात. आनी वन ऑफ द मेन थिंग ऑन द 1st May, which we are having the May Day declaration, like that all the trade unions in India are going on one day strike again on 2nd September 2016. So it is not only celebration, we are declaring the program also of the further struggle. सरकारात एक कायदो जो येता आता, जो कामगारां मारक आहा, की जर कामगार 300 दीस 300 परस कमी असले, there your permission is not required now, not required at all. And one of the worst thing is even before पार्लमेंटाचो एक्ट जावचे पयलीं राजस्थानात आज अशी परिस्थिती आसा की खंयच्याच कंडिशनाक कामगारांक इवन रॅली काडपाक, धरणा करपाक, मोर्चा करपाक ते परमिशन दिना. इमिजिएटली 144 सेक्शन इनवोक. इवन एक कामगार 100-150 कामगार रस्त्यार जर येता जाल्यार 144 सेक्शन लायतात आनी इमिजिएटली लाठीचार्ज.